I know. Okay, hi guys. Guys, how are you? Are you having fun? Jasmine, are you having fun? Noah? I'm having fun. It's the modulator.
You hitting the top of my head. You're not getting any people.
What?
You weren't getting any people. You had it to get it up.
Oh, like this.
No, you have to push the GoPro down.
Oh, down like this. Okay. Well, sorry. Sorry,
I know you will wait a long time there, but that's why we will decide our time we spend there, we will spend in our last stop, which is the beach.
Yes.
So we will spend more time in our last stop. Okay, it's okay for you?
yes.
Don't worry.
Be happy!
Yes. Okay, so our first stop is gonna be Big Lagoon. Big Lagoon, the best way to go there, and just only one option to go explore Big Lagoon is rent a kayak.
Okay.
So the boat is not allowed to go inside. So now we need to rent a kayak.
Ayoko dito. Bagagan.
Huwag mo na gabitin yan, ma'am. Huwag mo na gabitin yan. Loko na. Ganito ka lang. Yan. Ganito. Doon sa kabilang bahawak. Sa kabila.
Dito.
Ganyan. Ganito lang. Hawak mo. Huwag mo ilagay yung dito. Ganyan. Yan. Yan. Ito lang.
O sige, tama na.
Ayaw mo na?
Ayoko na.
Okay ka tayo? Okay na kaya?
Oo, lapit ako na.
Hawak ka lang dyan. Yan.
Nanenervous yata kasi ako kaya na.
Okay mo, relax ka lang. Mabilis ka.
Psychological itong ano.
Ayoko, sir. Okay, ito. Meron ano.
Alin? Joy! Jay!
Baka nyo nito.
O talaga galing naman ni ma'am. O talaga. Sabi ko sa iyo ma'am eh.
O, nakainom na. Nakainom tubig.
Okay na bubuk ka na ma'am.
Ah, hawak ito, ma'am.
Hindi ba? Bibigay ko to sa'yo pakatapos ha.
Hawak ko dito. Hawak.
Yan.
O, hawak ka dyan. Huwag ka mapanik. O, relax mo ako. Huwag ako mapanik, ma'am.
Huwag ako
Hawak ka lang, hawak ka.
Nagpanik ako.
Huwag papanik, ha.
Hindi ako makamandar. Sige. Woohoo! Babalik na ako.
Ay, lumutang!
You don't have your life vest. Pagbabalik Okay. ka na, akin na to. Oo. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. Woo!
Huwag mo na, okay. Makakay sa iyo.
Nakita ko na yung corals. That's enough.
Akit tayo dapat tumakit, ma'am.
Akit na.
Sige, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sige, ma'am. Akit ka, ma'am.
Hindi pa.
Ay, ninervous ka na, ma'am, eh.
Wala ka bang rope dito?
Alalayan mo, malakas mag-fit yan.
Oh, sige, ma'am.
Hoy! Ikaw talaga, tumigil ka ha? Wait. Okay. Para malapit.
Ano na ito ma'am? Baka malapit. Okay na ito ma'am. Sa ilo. Nararamdaman yung init?
And it's still real,
Hinga ka ma'am, hinga.
filming.
Hinga sa bibig, okay lang? Hindi ka huminga nito. over there. As you can see, people go inside. That's the entrance. So, yeah. Ha? Ay, nga sabihan ko naman.
No, they're swimming, I think, or they're walking.
Hindi na secret lagoon. Secret lagoon. Beach lang yung so we go there. It's kind of like a connection. So those are not good swimmer again where your divers and my country.
Okay, Anan. Antoinette, where are you?
Okay, you will go there?
Oh, okay.
Ice cream, yeah, ice cream. Ice cream. Yeah. Up to you.
Okay, bababa na ako.
Mami, is this one right?
Oh.
Don't worry.
You will not need to go.
Mark, anyone? Hey, good na?
I think it means I have to go.
Mark,
Baba na ako?
Ma'am,
Mark ayun ma'am, sino yung bawal sa inyo ma'am?
ma'am, as kita mo, tingnan mo kayo ma'am, malalim yan ma'am.
Oh, sige.
You
Yeah.
Sorry.
You want to jump? Go jump. Or you want to use the stairs?
No, I can jump.
Okay. Because if you're not, I'm gonna move. I might lose my glasses, no?
I wouldn't go with my glasses.
We'll take pictures. We'll take picture here. Yeah. Entering the lagoon. Oh wow. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Iwasan mo kami ma'am.
Ha?
Baka magkakaroon.
Oo nga eh, hindi ako nabibeef, hindi na ako nag-ano. Talagang, oo, nasa dugo talaga, oo, sa lahi. Oo.
Ang kuha namin ma'am, kuha naman kami, uric acid.
Ah, oo.
Hindi naman sa yung lulo ko.
Oh my goodness.
Mataas yung lagi yung uric acid.
Huwag ka-
Hindi ako kumakain ng ng mga mataas yung protein.
At saka nuts.
Oo, bawal.
Oo. Wow. There.
Bawal sa alam.
Oo, that's right.
Mag-inom ka sa baso lang, hindi ka na pinuno ng marami.
Oh,
Kasi
it's so
nag-treat yung
serene.
uric acid ng kidney stone eh.
That's right.
Ang pagpapalit parang relasyon. Kapag hindi nakuha sa kaliwa, itanan mo.
Hindi ako nangangaliwa eh. Ma'am?
Oo.
Magpapadala naman sa kanya ma'am.
Kaya nga sabi ko, magpapadel na lang siya. Kahit magbayad ako ng 300. Ano? Nice. We're going inside the lagoon.
Maganda yan ma'am.
Ay, oo. At saka talagang Philippine.
Ma'am, ang pagkataon mo na pumunta kayo dito, ang sabi talaga.
Oo. Hindi talaga, hindi pwede.
Hindi talaga clear talaga ma'am.
Yeah. Wow, ang dami. Ang daming tao. Kaya nga gusto ko maaga eh.
Sabi ma'am, kasi ma'am, ang private ma'am, bigyan siya ma'am.
Eh, ang mahal naman ng private, ano? Yeah. We're going inside the lagoon with Mark. We're going to what island are we gonna go to? Payong-Payong. To go eat lunch. Ito po yung pinaka-expensive. Sino siya?
Ayala yan.
Ayala yan.
Yan yung Ventura.
Oo. Kasi may mamo sa Ayala, pero I don't know which one.
Yan, Binilog, Paslagin.
you did not bring your Is it fun? Anan, it was hard, huh? No, the girl said I might hit my head on the limestone. Look here, guys. Oh my God. Sorry. Pinupush ako ng ano. Teka, anak ko.
Sorry, mami, pupush mo namin kayo ha. Kasi matatamaan yan. So, 1, 2,
Malayo ba yung pagpupush?
Malapit lang po. Pero nakakatakutan kasi medyo tutuloy pa to.
Hindi pa maramdaman ko na.
how about you?
Noah!
Okay, laban.
Ano? Isel.
Mano, hawakan mo na lang.
Wala, manggugulo kasi talaga to.
Balat.
Sige, ako rin magbabantay dito. Kaya na yan.
Hindi ka lang mo na ako. Hindi mo na ito.
Okay na, ako magtuturo sa inyo.
Ay! Naku. Tumatama sa sila?
Gabby, she's already inside. Piping! 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 Are you gonna go? Okay. Yeah. I'll watch you here.
Did you go over there?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah?
It's nice. I was by myself. Yeah, and he took a picture of me around the lagoon.
Careful the
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna hold here. There we go.
Yeah, there's a line.
Don't worry, we will assist you. So, okay? Come on.
Mas maganda ba doon sa kabila?
Oo, may trail doon nun.
Ah, may trail? Pwede siguro ako sandali. Basta kasama ka. Pwede na tumayo dito.
Wala pa, ma'am. Higa ka lang, ma'am.
Ha?
Higa ka lang. Ay, ganyan
Hindi
ka.
naman ako baba.
Ililay down kita, ma'am, ha? Lay down kita pa. You can stand?
Ah, yeah, I can stand up.
Oh, di ba? Oo.
Teka. Take my picture.
Wala, sir.
Hi. Hi.
She wants to do it. Well, wait, then wait for us there. You want to do that?
Wow. Oh, ingat. Okay, 3. Are you okay? Are you okay? Yeah. Lakasan mo, ma'am. May diferensya kasi sa tuhod eh. Kaya niya. Yung ilong mo, hindi masakit? Ma'am, lakasan mo ha? Ma'am! Dito, dito. Woo! Yeah! Wow! Ano masakit? May masakit? Are you okay? Ay, nakakit Yan. Yes! Wow! Good. Good, good. Go there, go there, go there. Hey, mom! Let's go! 3,
Okay, lay down. Okay. And then... Sorry. Okay. Lay down. Don't worry. Lay down. Bye-bye. You good? You guys? Close your eyes. Okay, you good? Lay down. Lay down. Okay, bye-bye. Okay.
Okay.
Drone. Whoa. Yeah, okay. Sudah lutaw? Sudah lutaw. Ayahay kas likod. Wala, ayahay.
So you must bend your knee.
Shallow. Yeah.
Want to?
Yeah.
Okay. Go backwards. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So can we do acting? Somebody filming? Can we do
Yeah.
acting? Somebody filming? Okay, hit me first, acting. Yeah.
Ma'am! Sa gilid!
I can. I saw one. I can.
First podcast show. From Mexico.
Guatemala, Mexico!
1.
Okay, 3, 2, 1! Good!
From Manila.
From Manila! Ako susunod sa kanya.
Okay, Carl.
Water. Maybe. Parang live drone, ah.
Mamaya, gagawa.
Did you jump there? Wow. You guys. Diri lang, taksa-taksa na.
Ha? Adyari na ka? Ma'am, dito lang oh! Madulas kasi dyan, ma'am eh! Ma'am, madulas dyan! Dito lang oh!
Okay, there. Dito na lang daw.
Picture lang dyan! Picture lang!
Mag-sit down ako dito.
Oh, dyan kayo! Dyan kayong apat! Dyan kayong apat!
See Gabby, he wants to jump it. My God. Is that the waterfall?
Yeah, second level Kawasan Waterfalls.
Ang liit naman.
May malaki pa dyan, doon, sa gitna.
Live drone.
Ganda. Ganda rin picture. Tingnan mo. Ganda. Tingnan mo.
You're naughty. Come on, Gabby! Go! You can do it! Just close your eyes! Okay, 1, 2, go! Go! Now watch where you're stepping, please. Yeah. Oh my God.
Let's go!
Ma'am, halimbawa, apak yung kaliwa mo dito. Yung kaliwa, oo. Pag step mo sa right, diretso na sa tubig. Ha? Game? Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Yun! Ganun na kasimple.
Oh my God.
Okay, just follow the current of the water. Oh. Bye-bye. Straight your body, straight your body. Hinaya lang ba't nabuuntog ang kulo ko. Anak. Bye-bye. Hey, palakulo na siya. Una lang pumunta. Lay down, straight your body, just straight your body. So just follow the water, just to follow the current of the water. Bye-bye. Okay, slowly. Okay, good.
Yeah! Tara, may sayon. Are you okay? Huh? Oh, marunong yan.
Okay, bye-bye.
Wow! Portrait din? Okay, game. 1, 2, 3, go! Yes!
Go like this,
Tapos ma'am, mamaya, pasok tayo dyan sa loob, ha?